How to create Telegram channel without phone number. Hey everybody, in this video, I'll show you how to create Telegram channel without phone number. To start, open your Telegram application. Now, on the search bar, create new channel. Then in here, give your channel name. You can do this in anything you want. It's all up to your preference. You can also add a description and then add a photo for the channel as well, depending on your preference again. Once done, click on check on the upper right. Now choose whether this is a public channel or a private channel. And then in here, you could also create a public link where everybody can click on to join. Again, you could name this to anything that you want. Just make sure it is available. Telegram will tell you if the public link is not available. If it has a green bar saying is available, that means you're all good to go. Once done, click on the check mark on the upper right, and then in here you can now add subscribers. As you can see, you already have a test channel or a Telegram channel ready to go. And then in here, you could also invite people by giving out your public link to anybody. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Hopefully you got some value in this one. So please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And as always, I'll see you on the next video.